Hi everyone, it's Sherry and welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of me cleaning and tackling my laundry room. I'm giving this room a makeover so that it's more organized and functionable. Our laundry room is very small and tight and we have stuff all over the place. It really doesn't depend on the space. You want to make sure that you are utilizing every inch and corner in that room, especially if the space is small like our laundry room, and right now that's not what's happening. In the process, I'm going to show you guys store solutions that you can use at home. These are going to be inexpensive and easy to do, so if you want to see this makeover, just keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to remove everything out of the room and then clean. This part was filmed before I cleaned my washer machine, which is part 1 of me tackling my laundry room. If you have not seen that video yet, I will make sure to put it up. Now that all of the cleaning is done, it's time to put everything back in its correct spot. I'm starting with over the washer and the dryer. I'm using these baskets that I had for a long time. I don't remember where I got them from, but I'm just going to store my laundry detergent, stain remover, bleach, and dryer sheets in these baskets. I have gave these baskets a new look by spray painting them white. They used to be brown, and I have 3 of these, but I'm only putting 2 over the washer and dryer. This is the first area that you see when you open the door to this room, so I don't want this area to look too busy or cluttered. To maximize the space in the laundry room, I'm putting that vertical space into use, and I'm adding this ironing hanger to store the ironing board. This is a great way to utilize any space in a room, is by using the vertical space on your wall. Right here, I'm just making sure that everything is leveled out before adding it to the wall. At first I wasn't going to use this. When I got it out the box, the paint was peeling off. Instead, I peeled the rest of the paint off. A good substitute for this hanger would be command hooks. They're sturdy, you don't have to drill a hole in your wall, and you can find these anywhere. I'm adding additional storage to this room by using cube organizers. These can be found everywhere and you can basically use these for anything. Since I'm being conservative with the space over the washer and dryer, this allows me to still store the items that belong in the laundry room that I don't use on a daily basis or use every time I wash a load. This fit perfectly behind the door in the room, and this allows me to use the vertical space on the wall. So with me stacking both of these on top of each other, I'm getting additional storage that I can use right away or later on down the road. Right here, I'm just making sure that there aren't any studs that are in the way so I can properly secure this to the wall. When I purchased both of these organizers, they did not come with wall anchors, so I had to buy those separately. I'm securing these to the wall so when the washer spins and gets the shaking, it doesn't tumble over and fall. I'm adding this broom and mop holder on this adjacent wall from the dryer. I wanted to add everything behind the door since it was a lot of space that wasn't being used, but our laundry room is not that big, so I had to add it here. A substitute for this would be, again, command hooks. Once everything was back up, I gave the room another spot cleaning before adding everything back in the room. I used these brackets to make sure that the organizers were anchored together so when the washer gets the spinning, these two do not go separate ways. They are stuck on top of each other and not moving. I'm using these bins to add additional storage to the organizers. These help hide items that I don't want to be seen, and they add some decor to the room. I added some decor to this area by using this picture frame that I had laying around and printed this wash, dry, fold, and repeat sign. I thought this was a nice touch. This is a full view of the laundry room. I'm within the room. I have the door closed so you guys can see how really small this room is and how everything turned out. I love how the cube organizers add additional storage to this room, and it also makes the room look taller because we're utilizing that vertical wall space. I thought this caddy was so cute. I'm using this for my cleaning supplies so I don't have to go within the bins. I already have it ready to go. I love these bins. They were very cheap, only $5 for two, and I love how they're hiding items that we don't use on a daily basis. This hanger and mop and broom holder allows me to use wall space to where these items are not just sitting on the floor. It looks clean and organized, and you guys can see how everything is hidden behind the door. Though you cannot see it, these items are still organized and in its proper spot. I hope you guys enjoyed this laundry room makeover. This is what I like doing. I love making over rooms. I love seeing styles come to life. That's kind of my motto, bringing styles to life one DIY at a time. And this was very inexpensive and easy to do. I hope that the storage tips that we're giving were useful as well and that you're able to use them within your home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and make sure that those notification bells are turned on. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. That's where I'm at when I'm not on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.